work with.
And I'm Ben Sadler.
We work together under the name Juneau Projects, and we've been working together for over 20 years now. We met just after we'd finished art school, and we had a number of different ideas in common. We'd made quite similar things on our different degree courses, and we were talking about our work, and we wanted to try out a few things working together, and it all continued from there.
Yeah, so we've been really happy to be working with Meadow Arts recently, and with the Riverside Youth Group in Pershore. We were originally approached by Emma from Meadow Arts to look at the possibility for making an artwork with the Riverside Youth Group that could explore the meadows next to the youth group in Pershore and the river, and to think a bit about the flooding that happens and the link of that to the impact on the environment. And so that's what we've been doing over the course of the last year. We were working on that project and we've had a great time, and we're really happy with the results that have come from that. A lot of our work is site specific, and that's a way that we really enjoy working with, particularly with public art, which is art that's very much, people don't necessarily choose to visit it. It's something that's there and they may just pass during their daily life. So we're really keen for the artwork to respond to the location specifically, and also for it to be inspired by the ideas and thoughts of the people that are going to be living and working with this piece. Often it's places we don't know very well when we start a project. So it's great to be able to get more of a sense of a place through working with people and finding out their ideas for what they would like to see.
When we're working collaboratively with community groups, we like to involve them as much as possible in all the aspects of making the artwork. So we like to get hands-on creating the artwork itself, or the things that the artwork will be cast from or made from, but also in terms of the place where the work will be sited. We like to visit that with the people that we're working with, find out more about it and see it through their eyes. We were able to visit Avon Meadows with Liz Etheridge, who is from Wychavon District Council. She's one of the people that looks after the meadows. And she gave us and the young people from Pershore Youth Club a tour of the site, and told us all about the wildlife and the ecology of the site. And then we ran a series of workshops with the youth group. We worked on the meadows doing drawings and paintings, and then we worked back at the youth centre making sculptures, working in 3D. The pieces that were the culmination of those workshops were made in modelling wax, and they were made by the kids themselves. They chose the creatures from the meadows that they were most interested in and modelled those, and then those were the pieces that were sent to the foundry and cast in bronze and installed on the meadows.
Which is really a really nice way to talk to the young people about the whole project, really, that these wax sculptures were then going to be cast in metal and would last for a long time, potentially 20-30 years. So it's quite nice thinking about it in the sculptures they were making potentially would still be there when they were like our age now. We really enjoy collaborating with people to make artworks. Phil and I have worked together for about 20 years, and through that time it's a process where we've learned to work with each other and find a way of doing it, and it feels more like a conversation than the way you might make art individually. And that feels like it extends very naturally to working with other people as well. So it's something we've kind of developed over the last 20 years, is finding ways that we can share our enthusiasm for making and creating with other people. And we find, we're not necessarily the best talkers, but we can. What we really enjoy is making things, and that's often a really nice shared way of working with people as well. All kind of working together, perhaps with the same aim in mind, same sort of goal in mind, and seeing the sort of outcomes that come from that process of trying to draw out people's creativity, I suppose. And that's been a lovely way to work with this process for Pershore. Has been sharing our thoughts, our ideas on the meadows and the wildlife that's there. Getting the people that look after the meadows, getting their perspective too, sharing that with the young people and getting their kind of feedback and their ideas about the meadows too, and seeing what we could make together. And it's been beautiful to see the sort of, what we really like about this way of working is the surprises and results that come out of it. Often things are made that Phil and I would never have thought of to start with, and that process that happens totally through working with people and getting their input. So we've loved seeing the sculptures that came out of this, the creatures, seeing them made in wax, then in bronze, and just seeing those sort of beautiful renderings of these small animals that live on the meadows, these sculptures that we could never have made, but have been a part of this process of making this piece all together. It's just a process we really enjoy and we really feel is a sort of valid way of working, particularly in a kind of public context.